What is up, ladies and gent? Recently I have posted a waterproof drone video. And after that I got a lot of questions like, how is it possible? What silicone did I use? What about the camera? What about VTX? What about the battery?
Which one?
Is everything okay with the motors? I have to say that I was inspired by this guy's video. He explained in great detail what to do and how to do it. To make my story short, VISTA does not need to be covered with silicone. I only covered the place where the cable is connected to the camera. Covered FC and DSC. Receiver, of course, crossfire in my case. And that's it, nothing special. I have used FPV WORRY 3, drone waterproof coating by Brandon FPV. Unfortunately, I don't have a backyard pool to test, but I know who does.
The conversations that we've had with our financial advisor.
I'm talking about Museum of Vancouver. Museum has. And as I said, Museum of Vancouver has. Okay guys, what do we have? Actually, we got a drone, probably for all conditions, because it has a VISTA and polar camera. That's why it give us opportunity to fly maybe at night or so close. And waterproof, you can fly at snow, in rain day, whatever. And finally, I would like to say a couple of words about components, motors, and in general. I know that many pilots got the motors from meps for free, with some conditions, me too, but without any conditions. And I have to say they're clearly overrated, overestimated, and so electronics too. They're not of any quality, and for this money you can buy, for example, T-Motor Velux, electronics, for example, SpeedyB, but even cheaper. The thing is, my main idea is that when you're watching all of these bloggers who talking about a super product, please filter the information.